Feels like it's been absolutely forever since we've worked on the van. Partially because it has been. But today, over this weekend, I am going to finish the walls, finish the ceilings, and honestly, this will be the biggest transformation we've seen in a video yet. Seems pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So time to knock it out. Hi, Alexa!
I love it!
Do you like it? Look at the wall. Are you excited to work on the van?
Yeah.
It's been a while since you worked on the van with me.
I go to the petting zoo at school and I saw Mommy.
Yay! Stand right here, point it right here, and then can you pull the trigger?
Is that this thing?
Yep, that trigger right here. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's my dance.
Looking pretty good.
Looking awesome. Oh my goodness. It looks like a house.
Yeah.
Oh, I measured that wrong.
What do you think, Alexa? Is it dirty in there? Ooh, it's dirty. Daddy's making a big mess.
It's the time to go camping yet.
Here we go.
I think so.
What else needs to be done, Alexa, before we're finished? What do you think? What are the priorities?
Beds.
Beds. That's going to be the last thing. Do you think maybe you can sleep on the floor for a while? You might have to.
So I kind of messed up on this bundle of wires. There's not enough slack left in it. So I'm kind of really stretching them out. Trying not to actually like snap a wire or cut anything, but it's been a concern for a while, but I think it'll be okay.
Papa, hold me up.
You gonna fix it? What do you think? Can you get it?
Get what?
I don't know. Oh, that will.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Ow, ow. Oh, it fits.
I was patting this to make sure that gets on.
Oh wow. Good job.
Magic one! Mommy, I want to do a big mouth. Squirt!
Excuse me. There's not a lot of room in
this
here.
van.
This was the biggest van they had.
Good job.
I put a nail in! Alexa, my job is to throw the things away that's on glass, like these yellow stuff.
Don't throw any of my yellow tools away.
Like Mommy has before.
Based on a true story. One right here. Oh, I got stuck.
Ah! That's dangerous.
Yeah, we'll fix it. Don't worry. Good job.
Dada, I want to use this as decoration and get it on here. I don't think
You want it to stay there forever? Wow. Try again. Oh, so hard. There you go. Good job. I need 69 3/4. Can you write that down? Write 69 3/4, okay?
I'm making sure there's space. I got a desk pile over here.
Chloe, what are you doing?
Drawing a balloon.
That cabinet's finished. We're not supposed to color on that. It's done. You want to help me? Will you hold this against the wall for me, please? Oh, did you put something back in here? Is that why it's not? You did. You silly girl. You
I
silly
put it so
girl.
it could stay.
Oh, well, I think it'll stay just fine like this. Chloe, I don't know what I would do without you, buddy. You're such a big helper. Pull the trigger. And one more time. Good job.
How about we do everyone together?
Chloe, can you tell me what you're doing?
checking what's inside.
What were you doing before? You're putting all the dust inside of my cabinets, making it all dusty. Did you find something?
Hey, Dada,
What?
there's something under there.
What is it? What do you think, Chloe? Is it looking good?
It's looking good.
Hey, Chloe, are you proud of the work you're doing?
Yeah?
Do you like our house car?
Yes.
You safe? So safe. Ready to work. So you may have noticed the garage looks different.
Yeah, it does.
That's because we moved.
We move.
Do you like our new house?
Yeah, but I miss my neighbor Sophie. Do you like the floor purple?
Not really.
Then I got this wood out of the trash can.
What are you doing?
Making floor. This is the first floor that we'll walk on.
Purple.
Purple, and then we'll walk on this one. I thought you were done by now.
Oh, you would think, wouldn't you? I would have been done by now if you were helping me. What are you doing?
Fixing it?
You're not fixing it, you're stabbing it full of holes.
No, I'm fixing it.
Just don't fix this part, okay?
I am not gonna fix that part.
Okay, thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. Everyone just hold it still, okay? Gotta get my measurements. Hold it tight. I'm gonna go get some lunch real quick and I'll be back soon, okay?
Lunch? We don't have time for lunch. Are you nailing the wires?
I hope not.
Dada?
Really hope not.
Now one more.
Guess what, girls?
Swimming!
We're all done for today.
Swimming, swimming, swimming.
Let's go swimming.
Gotta make inside of me. It's a deep hole where I leak. Oh, can I see you leave? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, get warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know. I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little